Uthuthuria wigie kura kwa makiria ma kilo milioni 1 cia cukari uria wari mwikirira mukana kambuni-ini ya Vine Park mwena wa THIKA ni ucokereirio muthi kuria kamiti ya mbunge igie wonjoria na iganda itabanirie gikaro kia hamwe na honge itiganite iria ciakuruhanirio na njira imwe kana ingi na kura gwa cukari uyu iria ni hamwe na ruhonge rwa kungania magoti bururi-ini KRA, kambuni cia Vine Park, Gilgamesh na Asset and Cargo. Ni hindi ya gikaro giki Ambunge Alice ng'ang'a wa THIKA na NJUGUNA Kawanjiku wa KIAMBAA makuruhanirio na kura gwa cukari uyu thutha wa murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya Vine Park Peter Mwangi gutaririo ria hungirwo mahuri hamwe na ambunge ya thutha wa gwikio ngono agikuruhanio na kura gwa cukari ucio.
Whom do you find at Pan Africa?
That is what I'm saying.
Is when you goes up.
I met Kawanjiku, MP, and Alice. I found them there, and they were being asked
anybody else in their company?
No, they were just both of them.
As you met Kawanjiku and Alice, you left them at the same point you found them?
Kawanjiku was being asked why he called me, why he was calling me. Unfortunately, he had sent some messages via my WhatsApp, which were accessed by the policemen. That is why they were talking to him.
Mwangi ningĩ nĩ ahithũririe ũrĩa mũbango wa kũiya cukari ũcio wathugundĩtwo kwa ihinda iraya nĩ maabitha rũhonge rwa KRA na kambuni ya Asset and Cargo, akiuga we nĩ kũhũthĩrwo ũru na ũguo arĩ na mũbango wa gũthitanga rũhonge rwa KRA.
Did Mohammed confirm to you that he's the one who has taken the sugar from THIKA?
I asked him, why did you tell the policeman that the sugar is in Mombasa? He said, I have sold some sugar in Mombasa. I asked him, when did you remove the sugar? He said, when we received the letter. From who received the letter? And he said, very well, Mr. THIKA received the letter on your behalf.
Mwena-ini wa ruhonge rwa KRA ruria rukurugamirĩirwo ni Commissioner wa Customs Pamela Hago ni rugeire na ihinda iritu gutariria uria siri iria ciahingite makumbi maria maigitwo cukari uyu ciatuirwo na ingĩ igĩkĩrwo kuria mehoire maheo ihinda makiria niguo mahote gucokia kiuria giki.
You are actually taking us for fools, because if you have a photocopy of this, how can you not have a photocopy of a document, let alone the physical seals, a document showing your tracking of all these seals? Because there has to be a procedure.
The reason I was given that this thing is still under investigation, the people culprits have been taken to court, so we wait for the court process to be concluded, then this will be available to us.
Iguru ria guo KRA ni remirwo gutariria mutaratara uria mahũthĩrire harĩ kwamũra kambuni ya Vine Park ta gũkorwo arĩo yagĩrĩire gũthũkangia cukari ũcio na njĩra ya kũgũtua ithano handũ-inĩ ha kambuni ya Gilgamesh ĩrĩa nĩyo yatũire ĩrutaga wĩra ũcio handũ-inĩ ha KRA.
What made you start a new process? Yet you cannot feign ignorance you did not know, because you had been contacting that person from the year 2020 to now.
Because within a fraction of 6 days, really, is it logical to have already identified somebody who will take charge?
KRA was convinced that since these two teams are working together and there's no longer competition, then we can go ahead and give Vine Park a go ahead to take the sugar.
Cukari uyu wahithukirio gukorwo urite mweri-ini wena mwaka uyu kuma thito cia kambuni ya Kings Commodity mwena wa THIKA kuria waigitwo thutha wa kurutwo gicukiro-ini kia mirigo kia Mombasa ni kamiti ya hamwe ria ya urugamirĩire.
It's always because even if we
Ngirivotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Gunyama.